What's going on, Trader Gang? Good morning. Happy Tuesday to you guys. We're back at it again with another live trading session. It's going to open here in about 8 minutes. This morning, we are going to trade the funded account. So our 50K take profit trader funded account. So we'll see what the market presents us today. So we're going to mark up our charts really quick. So let's get into it. So let's show some love in the chat. So let's show some love in the chat. So I'm going to mark up this demand zone right here. So we have a nice support level here. So I'm going to mark up this area also because the price does decide to keep pulling up. This could be another level for us. So this level right here. This could be another nice supply area for us, and possibly even right here as well. This would be a nice area also. So we gotta kind of have to see what price pretty much did. So this was at 11, so 8:45. So this was still an Asian session, all the way to right here. So 5. So this was 3 in the morning. So this turned into a London session. So pretty much London session, Asian session came up. London session we pulled all the way back down. So probably New York Open, we could come all the way back up here, tap into here, or take liquidity here, and we could possibly drop again, or we could push up and take out some of these highs. So we just gotta look for that. So we gotta see where price is gonna break out, because we don't want to get caught in this range either. This will be kind of like a consolidated range, so we don't want to get caught in that. So, but if we can come up here and break this, or do like kind of a break or test, move up, that's what we want to look for. Or who knows, we can continue to fall. If we can hit the 4 hour. So 4 hour, we're kind of right here, so we're kind of consolidated. We did make a nice push up, though, so we'll see if we can respect this area right here. So, because where we're currently at right now, there is a level of, let's say, support, or supply actually. So we'll see if it respects it. So we also have to look at market structure too. So of course we consolidated here, we pushed up, pushed right back down, and now we're right here. So we're kind of in the same level. So we need to find a way to break above or break below. So that's kind of what we're looking for. So same thing here. So you came up, came all the way back down. So now we need to make a break to the upside or break to the downside. So that's what we're looking for. So, but we're going to wait at least 10 minutes after market opens, kind of like rule. So we don't want to jump the gun. We don't want to be impulsive. Just relax, let the market do what it's going to do, and just kind of show us what direction it wants to go. Simple as that. remain patient.
Quiet ache, small room, slow rain.
There's no news or anything like that today, so we don't have to worry about that.
Breathe your name. Hold my own hand. I stay gentle in pain. Soft hands on the wound again. If it burns, I breathe it through. I stay gentle. I stay true.
All right, market's going to open here in about 10 seconds.
Eyes red, heart thin as thread. I don't turn away. I sit, I stay. I stay gentle in the pain. Soft hands on the wound again. If it burns, I break into.
So more than likely, price is going to come up to this level here,
I stay gentle.
and we'll see if we get a rejection. So, because usually price will take liquidity, and we'll have a heavy rejection, and we'll pull to the downside. So we'll see what happens.
Smoke is gone, hands go loose, clock still ticks, nothing moves. This is the after, quiet and plain. Name it a blessing, call it a stain. I stay, I stay. Cup on the table, cool and slow. One small breath, all I know.
We got a rejection right here. We got a rejection at this level. So yeah, price wants to keep pushing down.
I stay.
So if I look for any type of shorts, I'm gonna wait until price breaks this level here. And I'll probably target this low right here.
Empty cup every day. Sun still up.
That'd be a nice move.
I just wait. Too much home.
So we'll just wait and see what price wants to do.
Feels numb.
Price might want to continue to keep pushing up too.
Tired mind. Always tired.
What does price want to do?
Nothing fine.
So we have a doji candle right here, which means there's indecision. So buyers and sellers don't know what they want to do. So we need a confirmation push to the downside here. So this could be a possible. We need to wait.
Heavy sigh. Can't quite think. Time just flies by. On the brink. Tired mind. Always tired. Nothing to find. Just unwired. One more breath. Slow and deep. Facing death. Or just sleep.
So doesn't look like US30 is moving very much just yet. So we could be good for some sells here, but we'll see. Need a little bit more confirmation than just this rejection. So this 4-hour candle right here that shows me we have a nice rejection wick, which does lead me to believe that we could look for buys to push up. But we need confirmation of that. So. So if we start to get some rejection wicks right here, then we could have the possibility that price is going to push up. So we're almost 10 minutes into market open, so nothing's really happened. So have to wait for more volume to come into the market.
Shadows used to cling, pulled me down, down, down. Now my spirit
We have another level of supply right here. So as you can see, right here. So we got to see if price doesn't respect this level, pushes up. There we go. It's a nice push up. So if we did take longs, I would put my stop loss right below this low right here. It's possibly, let's say, target this high right here. So we have these highs right here. We have this other high right here. So price could push all the way up there. Just need more confirmation. Price doesn't know what it wants to do right now.
You can rest here. Lay your heart down. Oh, your heartache, I will hold them.
Okay, we got a nice push down. So that's good.
I am your shelter. Small, but yours. When the world is heavy, close my door. Breathe, just breathe. Lean on me.
It could be good for sells right here.
Stay asleep.
I'll take sells.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in for sells. Let's see if we can come all the way down to here.
Call me softly, say you're not fine. You don't
Far
need
price wants to push down.
just your tired eyes. I am your shelter, small but yours. When the world is heavy, close my door. Breathe, just breathe. Lean your way. I am your shelter. Stay and sleep.
All right, trading gang, we are in a position right now. We are in US30 shorts at the moment. So you can see here we saw a nice couple of rejections pushed to the downside a little bit. So right now we're currently slowly in profit. So we're going to see if we can target this low right here at 47,151. So we'll see how this plays out.
You speak.
All right, trading gang, we are in a position right now.
No storm, just a flinch, just a breath, half an inch, pick a glass in my hand, say it stop, say it once again. If you move, move so light, fragile trust, unfair tonight. Your eyes look away, then back, then stay. Two words mean so much.
We're risking 375 to make 1217. We need to break below this demand zone right here.
We said it's fine, small light and light your eyes. Half closed, one word too close. This trust is a paper door. Push hard and it falls to the floor. Breathe light or it might just tear. Please walk like the glass is there. Slow hands held back, one step, then crack, long pause. You turn, soft stay, I learn.
Gotta wait for a price to break this demand zone if we can break it.
Push hard and it falls to the floor. Breathe light or it might just tear. Please walk like the glass is there. No scenes, no storm. Just you get warm. This trust is a paper door. Push hard and it falls to the floor. Breathe light or it might just tear.
We're gonna break it.
Please walk like the glass is there. Small quiet light here in my chest, soft like a hand, saying rest. Stay warm inside, just breathe, just be this little heat.
We're getting a little rejection right here. We can feel it. We'll see how this 5-minute candle closes. Should be able to break the low, hopefully. If there's enough volume.
Cold in the world still. There you are. Tiny bright room. No door, no scars.
So we gotta break through this demand zone here. See if this candle can do it.
Just breathe. Just breathe. This little heat is holding me.
So we're gonna retest that demand zone. There we go. Nice, beautiful break. Let's see now if we can target this buy-in area right here. To be able to fully break that demand zone.
Dreams take flight, hopeful plans, and fading light. Maybe tomorrow, maybe today, maybe today. Maybe
The price is hesitating to break through this demand zone. So we need a little bit more volume to push. So we gotta have a nice sell-off. This is where patience comes into play. There we go. So we're getting a rejection. Gotta just wait and see if price can break this. Let's see. Gotta break this demand zone. I think I'm going to close right here.
Order filled.
And see if we see any buy opportunity.
My whispers just bounce off the wall.
if not, then we'll look for another sell opportunity, but price is going to probably respect this area and literally go up. So, because I don't know if we're going to be able to break this demand zone. So we may go long here. So we'll target this high. That's main confirmation. Okay, let's make 375 to make 1262. Just gotta make sure this isn't just a pullback.
Maybe I speak a different tongue, a melody never sung, a quiet hum, a gentle sway. Will you understand me someday? Can you hear me now? Can you see me somehow? Just a flicker of light in the fading night. Can you hear me now? I go and table, still a little traffic in the distance, where they're moving.
Yeah, this is a continuation.
I watch the same two dishes, the water run, and the tile slowly, like bees between my thumbs. So I breathe through it, and out, and out, and out. Just sit till I lose it, till it thins out. I don't have to fix this, I can just be in it. Breathing through, breathing through. Thrown face down in the kitchen, quiet, heavy glass. You're in the corner, but I'm not tired.
Order filled.
All right, we're back in cells.
Watching nothing but crowds in London, shirt for an adjust, and I'll be through in the let the just to soften till it thins out. I don't have to solve this, I can just be in, breathing through it, breathing through it. Feel the cold now, maybe what I can see.
So the price was just being stubborn, trying to break this demand zone. Just got to give it some time.
So I breathe through it, in and out, in and out, in and out. Breathe, just till lose it, till things out. I don't have to walk on anything with vision. Breathing through it,
Right back, chat. I'm gonna go get some coffee.
breathing through it. One snow breath, then one more. Slow tea steam, old chipped cup, bare feet, warm floor, day just waking up. Open window, curtain breeze, birds and fragments drifting through the leaves.
All right, chat. Just got to see what what price is gonna do.
Nothing loud, nothing grand, just my small, steady heart, and your hand in my hand. This quiet little joy, soft as dust in the sun. We don't need any fireworks, I like this gentle one.
Our trade again. We actually got out of our first position. This price was pushing up, but it was just sort of a pullback. So I waited. We did enter back into a sell position, so as you can see. So we took a little bit of profit on this one right here. We're currently in a sell again. So price is just having a hard time breaking this demand zone right here. So you know, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out for the day. But I'm just trying to see if price is going to be able to find a way to break through this demand zone. So we'll see.
This quiet little joy, nothing loud, nothing,
This is the last trade of the day, gang. Only 2 trades. Whatever the outcome is, it is. So price is just having a hard time breaking this demand zone. So I feel like we have a good stop loss right above this high. If it decides to break it, then there's nothing we can do about it. So the price is just kind of just ranging right now. Doesn't really have any real direction. But if we go off market structure, of course, we've been making lower lows, lower highs. Price should continue to fall, but I don't know. One thing I do know is we have to break this demand zone. So we have to break this. Because once we break this, that'll allow us to tap into this high right here, or even this low.
But I stand tall. Gotta keep it safe. This tender heart. Soft inside. Oh, so soft inside. Gonna keep it soft. Yeah, soft inside. All's good. People change. Hearts can break, but I stay brave. They say being tough, they say be strong, but the gentle ones, they last so long. Soft inside. Oh, so soft inside. I'ma keep it soft. Yeah, soft inside.
Yeah, price is just ranging right now. We gotta have a nice push to the downside.
Stillness finds me, a quiet grace.
We'll see how this 5-minute candle closes.
Across this place, my heart hums a gentle glow. This quiet devotion.
Yeah, we're getting a push to the upside. I'll just let price hit my stop loss. kind of figured that was going to happen. Price is respecting that demand too well.
No loud display, just simple moments every day. My heart has a gentle glow. It's quite devotion.
Hit it here in a moment.
Stop filled.
There we go. It's okay, we got to stop them. So that's it for the day. We're only going to take 2 trades. So we took a loss of it doesn't show. So I think we took a loss of like 300 and something. Just since the drawdown was at 1,300. So kind of weird. Oh. One second. There we go. So we took a loss of 258. Or no, sorry, 371 total. So we profited 112.50 to the loss of 371 total. So that's it for the day. Price is more likely going to continue to push up, so which is fine. And we'll just come back tomorrow. Appreciate you guys popping on. Appreciate you guys popping on the live. We trade live here, so of course we took a small L today. We tried to take a small profit, but price is just going to continue to keep pushing up. But we just maintain our discipline, take 2 trades, that's it, and we'll come back tomorrow. So appreciate you guys. Check in with me tomorrow, and we'll see what the market gives us. Let's go.